Here's a 50th anniversary Corvette, 2003 convertible model, of course in the anniversary red. Now this particular car is a 1SC preferred option group. Of course that includes the 1SB package as well as the magnetic selective ride control. The anniversary package with the 1SC was actually about a $5,000 option back in 2003. So very nicely loaded Corvette here. As you can see, the paint has a nice luster to it. There were a few little nicks, touch-ups that you'll notice on it. This one right here, there's a few imperfections, but overall, nice car. A little over 35,000 miles, I believe it was. Now, of course, the anniversary red cars came with a champagne wheel, shale interior, shale matching top. That's the way this one is set up. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the pictures where you can look at them up close and take your time looking through them. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see up and down this car, not full of nicks, scratches, dings, riding on BF Goodrich tires and the original anniversary wheels. Of course, the shale leather buckets. This is a 6-speed that's paired up with that LS1 underneath the hood, and there you can also see the controller for the selective ride. Of course, you have dual climate control, all the power accessories, windows, locks, tilt to cruise. This will actually have a telescopic powering steering column also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, in those pictures, you can check out all the RPO codes. Look how this car is equipped. See the underside, see the interior, trunk. And those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Take a look at the driver's side, up and down it again. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You're going to find a few imperfections in the car that's been driven, yes, but overall nice shape. And again, a little over 35,000 miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Everything pretty much appears stock when I've looked under the hood and the interior underneath this car. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. And we'll check out that engine bay. We'll take a look at the exact miles here. Alright, 35,101 is the exact miles. It's your dual climate control. Stock looking dash. Bose stereo system. Let's slip around to the back of this so you can hear the exhaust note. These are nice sounding cars, that LS1 powered V8. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I'll walk to the front, we'll pop this hood, and let's check out the engine bay on this car. Alright, got the hood prop there. There it is, 5.7 liter LS1. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC car. AC did blow cold. Dual climate control in this one. Flip around to this side. No cold air intake added, anything like that. Very nice, clean engine bay. And again, with a little over 35,000 miles on it. About what you'd expect. A nice luster in the hood there. So there you go, looking for an anniversary 2003 Corvette convertible. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Unique classiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email or call.